Welcome to Axis 110, a vibrant student haven in Richardson where style, comfort, and campus convenience come together in one perfect package. These suite studios and spacious en-suites plus one-bedroom apartments feature stainless steel appliances, dining areas for meals with friends, roomy closets, in-unit laundry, and air conditioning for year-round comfort. Enjoy the privacy of your own room and bathroom. Chase academic success in the business center, then de-stress in the gym or recharge in the swimming pool. Come evening, challenge friends to a game of sand volleyball and fire up the community grills for a sizzling plate to enjoy in the courtyard or with sunset views on the Skyline Terrace. With reliable on-site maintenance, secure package lockers, electric car charging, and dedicated parking available for your wheels, convenience is unmatched. The University of Texas at Dallas and Richland College are minutes away by car. Cruising through the city is easy too, with buses on CityLine and Renner, plus the CityLine Light Rail. Book your ideal student stay at Axis 110 Richardson and elevate your university life. Visit amberstudent.com today.